Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and collecting core documents, original caste and income certificates, your photo ID, and an affidavit or gazette showing the new name. Next, obtain the specific application form from the local revenue office or download the official PDF. This matters because forms differ by district. Fill the form now, printing the new name exactly as on the affidavit, and attach 2 passport photos. Once done, organize certified copies with originals in a clear order to speed verification at submission. You proceed to submit the application either online or at the designated office. Make the payment and keep the acknowledgement slip with its reference number. During this phase, officials will cross-check identity, prior caste and income certificates, and your name change affidavit, sometimes arranging a local verification or a revenue inspector visit. Make sure you or your authorized representative are reachable. Keep original documents handy for inspection and respond immediately to any queries, because timely replies prevent delay. You receive the amended caste and income certificates after approval. Whether printed or digital, inspect every detail and ensure your new name, parentage, and dates are correct before closing the file. If the application is rejected, read the stated reason carefully, correct missing items, and reapply or lodge an appeal within the allotted timeframe. As a final step, update your name on bank accounts, employer records, and other ID. Tip: if discrepancies persist, request a written rejection note and escalate to the supervising authority for clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.